Now I will perform my air brake test and my in-Cabinspection. Now I will perform my air governor cutout in preparation for my applied pressure leakage test. My governor cutout should not more than 140 psi. Say start. Make sure my truck is in neutral. Check my mirrors, nobody's around. No cars, no people's around. Engine on. Now I will show you when my governor cut out by accelerating my truck until my needle has stopped rising. My needle has stopped rising at 127 psi, which is within the proper range and working properly. Now I will show you my applied pressure leakage test. In preparation, I will apply my transmission in low gear, turn off my engine, release my clutch and my parking brakes. For this test, I will apply my service brake for 1 minute to see is there any loss of air pressure. I should not lose more than 3 psi for single vehicle and 4 psi for combination vehicle, which I'm driving today. My needle has stabilized at 102 psi. Now I will begin my minute. My 60 seconds has passed. My air gauge 99 psi, indicating I had lost 3 psi, which is with the proper range. Now I will perform my warning alarm test. My warning alarm should be came on between 55 and 75 psi, no lower than 55 psi. I will turn my key on and then pump my service brake until my warning line came on. My warning line came on at 70 psi, which is with the proper range. Key off. Now I will perform my brake pop-out test. My tractor brake and trailer brake should pop out between 20 and 45 psi, no lower than 20 psi. For this test, I will pump my service brake until my parking brakes pop out. My parking brakes pop out at 25 psi, which is within the proper range. Now, I like to perform my in-Cabinspection while I build my full pressure on my tanks to perform my 3 brake test. Say start. I make sure my truck is in neutral. Check my mirrors, nobody's around, and engine on. Now I like to show you my in-Cabinspection while I get my full pressure on my tanks to perform my tree brake test. My seatbelt working properly, latches easily, no cuts nor damage. My door open and close properly from the inside. My door hinges on tight, secure, no missing nuts and bolts nor damage. My window goes up and down easily. My mirrors clean, no damage, no cracks, no illegal stickers adjusting to my driving. My mirror brackets, no missing nuts and bolts nor damage on tight. My windshield seal, no cracks nor damage, no illegal stickers. My windshield seal intact, no cracks, no leaks. Windshield wipers working properly, rubber, no damage. My dashboard clean, no cracks, no garbage. City horn working properly. My heater and defroster is on and working properly. My gauges, oil gauge is a normal pressure increase with the engine speed. Temperature gauge reads 175 degrees and working properly. RPMs working properly. A speedometer I show you when I do my driving test. Voltmeter reads 14.0 volts, indicating the alternator is charging. Fuel gauge should not less than a quarter of tank. Air gauges working properly and should not more than 140 psi. My lights and switches, headlights, clearance lights, high beams and low beams, I check each and working properly. Right signal, left signal, and my four-way flasher, I check each and working properly. Fire extinguisher is dated, rated, and fully charged, and I check I have my extra bolts and fuses, and my 3 triangle reflectors for any emergency. My floor is clean, no garbage, no visible damages. Now my tanks are full. I like to show you my tree brake test. Please hold on. First, I like to show you my service brake. Release my tractor and trailer brake, and I will pull forward around 5 miles per hour and then stop. My truck didn't pull to either side, indicating my service brake is working properly. Now I check my tractor brake. My tractor brake held, indicating it's working properly. Now I check my trailer brake. My trailer. My trailer brake, emergency brake held, indicating it's working properly. This is complete my air brake test and my in-Cabinspection. Now I like to show you my exterior lights are working properly. Can you please help me?